today I got something special. Okay, here it is. This is the new tablet I bought, the drawing tablet for my computer. You will see it very soon. It's actually quite heavy, but it doesn't exceed my expectations actually. Now let's jump straight into it. Let's get to unboxing. Put it off here to the side so you guys don't see where I live. I feel like a child on Christmas, but I bought this with my own money instead of having it as a gift. Okay, we might need a bit more. Alright, I give up. I'm just gonna use the cutter again. Got the packaging off, the big one. Now I kind of don't have the satisfying one anymore because I also cut it. Here it is. Oh my goodness. This is the front. This is the back. It's kind of shiny actually. I like this. I got this tablet because I want to post videos of my art and how I make art, and honestly, if I were to record it on my tablet, like with the screen recording, that's gonna look like horrible, and it's gonna be really complicated to use it as a footage for any kind of video on YouTube. It was also my posture, because when I draw at this tablet, I have to use my posture like a shrimp, okay? And I don't want to do that anymore. It's even got a bit larger area than this tablet, like actual working area, and I'm very excited to test that out. Yeah, this is not only an unboxing but also kind of a review and a test as well. And just so you know guys how excited I was about this, this didn't came with some sort of stand that lets it like adjust the height of the tablet when it's on the table, and then I made this. This is literally the stand that I wanted to make. Like, it has these notches so it holds the tablet, and these one on the side so it doesn't move around. On the back it's basically got this whole boxes that can be put in here, right? When I put it on a flat surface, it's gonna give an angle to it. I have 3 different levels to it, and this is actually like really sturdy. And now let's open it. I want you guys to see this first. Wow, okay. It smells like a freaking factory in this box, okay? If you're wondering which model this is the XP Pen Star 03 V2 pen tablet. Let's take it out. Okay, this is more square than I thought it would be. I thought it was like gonna be really rounded here on the sides, but it's not really like that. Here it is. Oh, okay. So the sticker peeled off by itself, not with the film on it. Okay, this is much better. Let's do the buttons now. Now this one actually peels normally. Damn, that was nice. And let's see what else we have in here. Our pen and our cable. It's much thicker and I like that. And at the tip it's a bit thicker than on the body itself. It's got 2 buttons on it. The size is really good. A quick guide and a warranty policy. I don't really care about these. And we also have these 2. These look like cupcakes. The tips in the center, that's the tip removal. The stand for the pencil. Apparently have to connect these 2. Oh, okay, it clicked together and the pen stays here. It wiggles a bit, I don't know why, but it doesn't really fall down, so that's not a problem. And that's pretty much everything that was in the box. I made this stand, I made it beforehand, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. I just checked the size on the internet. It actually fits. Okay, it wiggles around a bit, so the size is not perfect, and then I put it like this. It works. Perfect. Now let's take this to the computer and test it out. This is my setup. We have the monitor, of course, we have the keyboard, the mouse, the microphone over here, the lamp. I can turn it on if you want to see better what's on my setup. It's behind the monitor, so it doesn't disturb my view of it. And I'm gonna try to plug this in. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna make a few notes right now. This tip combined with this surface actually does give me a paper feeling, and I love that. I have multiple buttons here, 8 to be exact, and 2 on the on the pen. Actually gonna give a few extra points on this one because I didn't really expect this. If you look closer, I don't know if it's really visible, but like it's got a little depth to it. It's gonna keep it way more stable. Oh, it's already connected. Okay, I didn't expect that. Apparently this light tells me, what does it tell me? Okay, so when it flickers like this, the cursor is above the tablet, and when it's down, the light just stays on. I don't know, I'm just pressing random buttons right now. Okay, so I managed to download the app. Screen, pen tablet. So pressure settings, yep, saved successfully, and now I can use it. Okay, yeah, that's better. I finally found it. No. Okay, so that was the first test that I did. We're now in Clip Studio Paint. I've tested it out a bit. The tablet is totally fine. It's working perfectly. When I looked for the tablet and I saw the dimensions, that was like 10 by 6 inches. In my head, I was like, that's gonna be all right. And right now that it's in front of me, this is like way bigger than I expected. You wanna buy this one, but you don't know if it's big enough. Trust me, in real life, this feels much bigger than you think. Every centimeter you move here is like 3 centimeters here. So 1/3, I think for me is a pretty good ratio. This is like a speed draw. I just want to draw something to prove to you guys that it's working properly. So the undo button, it works like really well. There's no issues with that as well. Okay, I'm not the best artist in the world, but I think you get the point. So it's like pretty easy to draw. Also, don't take my art for a reference in how good the tablet works, because this is like 90% art skills and 10% tablet doing stuff. Outline it really quick with a thicker brush. Okay, so I'm having no problem whatsoever with this. I'm having no issues finding like accuracy and making straight lines. Like, look at these lines, bro. If I can get a bit more used to the tablet, I could be making like really good circles, but for now, this is like amazing. Of course, I'm proud of my drawings, but I'm proud of how the tablet works, okay? It works really well. $54 US. I wouldn't want anything more than what this offers, like the buttons. You can set them to press a certain combination of keys on your keyboard. You can use it like on drawing apps to change how the drawing app works with the pen, even the tablet, even open applications, like use it to open Clip Studio Paint. The driver software is customizable enough. There's no missing features. I don't know, maybe adding some extra quality of life features. If I were to look at it and say, yeah, this is not missing anything, I could. If you want the tablet, certainly get it. It's like so good. If you punch it, like that's kind of your fault. But you're not gonna you're not gonna be dropping this anytime soon, because this is just gonna stay on the table. There are no visible scratches. Okay, if you cared about that, there are no scratches. It does catch fingerprints a bit, and if I press on it, if I tap it, yeah, it does kind of sound a bit like plastic, but that's kind of what's expected at this price point. You get what you pay for. I think you even get more than what you paid for. The features are amazing, the driver is good, the accuracy as well, even the pen pressure, like it works flawlessly. It also has tilt. If you're wondering about that, look, it has angles to it. It even has like the tip one, so you can draw with the tip, you can draw with the side, however you want to draw, okay? It has this angle in every direction, but it's hard for me to turn my hand in every direction. Like on a normal turn, you can get this, but on a really extreme turn, you can even get this. Okay, it's a really wide range, even the pressure. And let's give it a rating. Price, quality to price ratio, it's gonna be a 9 out of. It's because of the clicking when I tap on the screen. If you don't mind the clicking noise, I honestly don't even notice it that much, but just because of it, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. How just the pen works on the tablet, 10 out of 10. The area of the tablet, 10 out of 10. It feels as big as I want it to be. How responsive it is. Okay, maybe there's a delay that I don't really notice. There's not a noticeable delay that I'm aware of. Let's give an overall rating. Should you buy this? Yes. Whatever quality you may be looking for, like really good or like really cheap, this one like fits most of the criteria. This is the best decision I could have ever made when picking a tablet. I'm really proud. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope it helped you. If you're curious about what my thoughts were on this, see you guys in another video. Bye bye.